And here's how to delete WordPress website cache files. Log into your WordPress website admin dashboard, and now we have to activate a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here WP fastest cache, and this is the actual plugin we are going to use. So install and activate these popular cache plugins in your WordPress website. Once the plugin activated, in this left hand menu here you will find WP fastest cache. Click on that, and here go to delete cache section, and here we can see clear all cache button. So all you have to need to delete your entire WordPress website cache file at once, just click on this clear all cache button. This will clear all of your cache files. Here we can see, and here you will find another option is delete cache and minified CSS.js file. So you can click on that to minify your CSS.js file. At the same time your cache will be deleted. Thanks for watching.